exciting episode of IgniteYourWebsiteMarketing.com. My name is Robert Kabayko, and I'm here to help you optimize your website and digital marketing so you can get more leads for your business and make money. Today, I want to talk about 3 simple SEO strategies that you could do to optimize your website so you can get more organic traffic. The first thing I want to talk about are keywords. Now, in my last 2 videos, I've been talking a lot about keywords, and I'll put my last one about keyword research up in the card here for you to check out. But you want to make sure, if you have a website, that it's optimized for keywords that are niche related to your business or blog. So if you own like a plumbing business, you want to make sure you have keywords on your website and in your metadata that relate to plumbing. If you have a pet shop business or a grooming business, you want to have keywords that are related to pet grooming or pet shop in your written content or in your metadata. This will help your website rank in Google search engines when people go in to search for a key term related to your niche. And if you don't have these key terms on your website or your metadata, your website's going to be hard to find on Google, and it's not going to get as much organic traffic. So make sure that in all your written content that you have in your website has keywords that people are searching for and that are related to your business niche. So I'll put the video again in the card here, but definitely check out the video on keyword search and what type of keywords and how to search for certain keywords related to your niche market and how to pick like the best keywords. The second thing I want to talk about is content. You want to have content on your website that is very interesting and that is engaging to your visitors. So how can you go about doing this? Well, when you're working on a video project or a blog project and you're having a hard time figuring out content, you want to use key research tools to see which content is ranking online for your competitors or other content that's ranking that's very valuable, because when people are searching for certain content and you see there's getting a lot of search results for that particular type of content, you want to make sure that you use that similar content on your website, but be creative and develop your own style and make it better than the content that you see. So how would you go about doing this? Well, you can use keyword research tools, and they'll give you a list of content ideas. My favorite is Uber Suggests. You type in like a key term like related to your niche, say like photography. It will give you the keyword density, the volume, and everything. But it will also provide you content ideas, so you can create blog content or video blog content to add to your website. Now, when I go to add video blog content to my website, I go on YouTube and I type in anything related to my niche, and I see which content is getting a lot of traffic and a lot of likes. And from there, I'll create my content from that, which is original, and apply that to my YouTube channel. So that way, as I go up in the rankings or as I continue to create more content for my YouTube channel, eventually it will be found in the search index on YouTube. But this will also help too if you're writing a blog in a video, and when people are going to type stuff into the search engines on Google, you have a very good article that beats the current article that's ranking very good. You can actually get #1 for for your blog or your video just by coming up with something original and unique that's gonna be better than what the current blog or video is top rated on the YouTube channel or Google. So definitely you want to look into that. Type in like certain keywords in the Google search engines, and you'll see like certain blogs or videos pop up, and you take a look and see which type of videos related to your niche are ranking, and from there just create your own content and make it better, and then you can get on the top of Google or in YouTube. SEO strategy tip I can provide for you is build backlinks to your website. You want to have a lot of backlinks that go to your website because it will establish your website as an authority, and it helps you establish yourself as an expert in your services. So you're probably saying, well, sounds simple, Rob, but how do I do that? Well, it's very easy. You just reach out to people, ask if you can do guest posting on their website. You go into Google search engine, you type in "Write for Us" in the name of your niche. So if you're a web designer, Write for Us website design. If you're a pet groomer, Write for Us pet groomer. And you'll get some results in the search engines for websites that are accepting guest posts. And so what you want to do is you click on these links, and you want to see the guidelines for the guest post. And you usually reach out to the person through an email. And what I like to do is I like to introduce myself, saying I'm in the same type of industry, and I like to provide like 3 different topics that would be interesting for them to post on their website. And you want to kind of go through their website to make sure that the ideas that you're suggesting, like as far as the guest posts, have not been done before. So that way it's like original. And then in return, ask for them for a link from their site to yours. And this will help build your page authority and rank for certain keywords on Google and other search engines. It also makes you seem like an expert too when someone else is going to view your blog on that person's website. And so if you're a pet groomer and you're writing on a website for pet grooming or pets, and someone happens to come across your blog, and they see that you wrote the article and there's a link to your site, they're going to click to your website and see that, okay, you're an expert because you were mentioned in this on this website for pets. You're an expert in grooming. And if they're local in your area, they would probably contact you for their services. I hope you found this video to be insightful. I'm going to give you, on my next video, I'm going to tell you how to do some outreach for guest posting. I will get on the screen, and I will show you how I write my letter to reach out to someone when I need a guest post. And I will show you other ways of getting guest posts to get backlinks to your website to build page authority. Until then, ignite your website marketing, and I'll see you soon.